Welcome to our Power BI Masterclass. We are a community of authors who share daily Power BI tutorials, tips and tricks, guides and much more. Subscribe to our channel to get our free content. In this video we will review a Power BI report designed by Bens-Phabrice Loiseau. This Power BI dashboard really stands out with its clean and professional layout. The KPIs at the top, like revenue, cost of goods sold, units sold and profit, are presented clearly with mini trend lines and year-over-year comparisons, which makes it super intuitive for any business user. I especially like the use of a year slicer right at the top. It adds quick interactivity and keeps the dashboard user-friendly. The visual design is well balanced with consistent colors and fonts, and there's a nice mix of chart types. Donut charts to show revenue by gender and color, a bar chart for revenue by month, and even a stylish globe map showing revenue by continent and country. It's visually appealing while still being informative. This Orders Details page adds some great depth to the dashboard. The standout addition is the breakdown of order metrics, like total orders, average order value, delivery days and average price, all with year-over-year comparisons, great for operational insights. The dual donut charts showing orders by gender and continent add a nice demographic and regional dimension to the data. Plus, the orders distribution by product using a hierarchical visual is a powerful touch. It clearly shows how total orders break down into category, subcategory, and even by color. The filters above this visual make it super interactive for drilling down into specific segments. Overall, this page brings much more operational and segmentation insight without overwhelming the user. This Customers Insights page brings in a new dimension by shifting focus from sales and orders to customer behavior and demographics. A big value add here is the distinction between active and inactive customers, shown with both counts and trends over time. The use of KPIs like percentage of inactive customers and their change from the previous year makes it really easy to track engagement. What's also new is the age segmentation with bar charts breaking down active versus inactive customers by age bins. This is great for targeting strategies. There's also a geographic comparison of active versus inactive customers by continent, helping identify where churn is more prominent. Finally, the addition of a detailed customer-level table with attributes like name, age, location, revenue, and average order value gives a powerful granular view for analysis or outreach. Overall, this page adds customer-centric insight to the dashboard, rounding out the story beautifully. This final page shifts focus to product-level insights, adding two new and very valuable visuals. The first is a matrix-style table that shows revenue and profit across product categories and colors, a smart way to analyze performance by product type and color preference at the same time. Below that, a detailed product table lists specific items along with their revenue and profit, giving granular insight down to individual SKUs. This is perfect for identifying top-performing or underperforming products. Additionally, the bar chart showing revenue by category gives a clear comparative view of category-level performance, making it easier to prioritize products strategically. These additions make this page a strong finish, especially for stakeholders interested in product profitability and assortment optimization. You can find a link to the original post in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share. Drop your questions in the comments. And until next time, may the Power BI be with you.